In this video, I'm going to show you a concept to make better decisions and make more impact in the world. Okay, the concept is second-order thinking. This concept was popularized by Howard Marks, the billionaire investor of Oak Tree Capital, also Daniel Kahneman, the Israeli behavioral psychologist. So second-order thinking is basically thinking down the road. That's all it is. It's just forward thinking. First level thinking is reactionary. You're actually just making decisions based on the circumstances around you. So first order thinking would be getting cut off by somebody and then just slamming on your horn, throwing like your plastic water bottle out the window at them. That's first level thinking. Second level thinking, this is obviously a very elementary example. Second level thinking is denying your first level reaction and then coming in with a decision that is actually better. So maybe you get cut off and you're like, no, but then you restrain yourself because that's not actually a good decision. So that is the simplest definition of first and second order thinking, but think of this as an example. So a PE ratio of a stock, right? Ben Graham, Warren Buffett's mentor, he said to buy cheap PE ratio stocks. So that's first level thinking. You just buy the cheapest stocks because that's a good thing to do. But the thing about first level thinking is it actually can become stale. So at a time, Ben Graham, when he bought low PE stocks, that was a really great thing, worked out for him. But as soon as too many people do that, the edge, the actual advantage or the alpha goes away after a time as so many people pile into that strategy. So second level thinking would say, okay, cheap stocks are good. It's maybe not the best idea because maybe that strategy has been arbitraged away. Now I'm going to actually think of this new strategy that will still blend the components of value, but maybe not quite that. So second level thinking could be, okay, low PE stocks are good, but low PE stocks also means that that business is performing really terribly. Maybe I pay up a little bit for well-performing businesses that actually compound their capital over time. So second order thinking, also known as second level thinking, is basically just thinking more ahead than the next guy. So there's this exercise that I actually did in college in economics class that the whole idea is that you want to guess 2/3 of the average. So the professor says, try to guess 2/3 of the class's average, and the starting point is 100. So you're thinking, okay, well, 2/3 of 100 is 66, so I'm not going to guess 2/3. I'm not going to guess 66 because the average is not going to be 100. Everybody's going to think, okay, 66, then what's 2/3 of 66? That's 40 something. Okay, maybe I go 2/3 of that. So it's this idea of always being one step ahead of everybody. And if you play that game in a really sophisticated crowd, essentially the answer is going to be 0. It's going to be the smallest number possible just because that is how far people are trying to think ahead of each other. And so investing, you kind of always have to have this balance. Is this too obvious? Is this good? Are people already thinking ahead of this? There's kind of this idea of this second order thinking that is very crucial to investing. And so I just wanted to think through this concept and just put it out there for you. I appreciate it. Leave a comment if you have ever used it or you just want to say hi. Thanks. Hey there, really appreciate you joining us at Investing City. We have all sorts of resources for you to learn as much as you possibly can about the stock market, from going over how to analyze a stock, to actually analyzing a stock, to personal finance issues. And so we really just are so happy that you're here with us, and we hope you get a ton out of it. Have a good one.